Hello everyone, today is April 2018. It is 9:30 in the morning. We haven't let the chickens or ducks out. Let's see if they're ready. Are you guys ready to be out? They are ready. We hear the ducks, definitely. Come on, babies. There's one of our roosters. There's another one. That's Big Baby. Here's Roosty. The other one must still be in there. And there's Freckle. It's Big Red. These are our eggs from yesterday. She's sitting in a duck egg nest, but she'll lay there. There's our one that's like that. We can name her Miss Frizzle. We know she's not a frizzle, but it fits her name.
Hey.
We've added 2 new roosters to our flock a week ago, and everybody's getting along. It took our 6-month-old a little bit of time because he probably thought he was going to be on the bottom of the totem pole again. He's the oldest. See if I can get his spurs. Yeah, a little bit. Hi, Richard. Everybody have a great day.